Namaskar, Swapan
Okay.
ji. You have been so inspiring. You have inspired me also because you are so consistent. You show up. आप हमेशा सेशन में दिखाई देते हैं. आप मेडिटेशन भी आराम से करते हैं. तो आपका सीक्रेट बताइए. आपका क्या सीक्रेट है?
I am. And yeah, madam, and all other my teammates who are present here, I actually congratulate you all.
प्रेरणा के
And
फादर लग रहे हैं
I am particularly thankful to Neha madam for her conducting this course.
ये स्क्रीन क्यों नहीं आ रही
Thank
है?
you, thank you, thank you. I think
And
you all can keep yourself on mute. Yes. Yes, Swapan ji.
I am. I joined. Actually, I had the problem of high BP and other problems also. Some blockage in the heart, left side,
Okay.
and some problem from in the prostate problem is there, and some kidney stones are there. These are the
Mm.
problems.
Yes.
So whatever may be the problem, when I started this program, I got immense benefit from the uh, your different yoga, pranayam, meditations, and all the Happy Heart Challenge 30 days,
Yes.
and all the programs which you have designed for us. Especially the meditation program is very much suits me.
Okay.
Actually, I am in the I do not know. I have some spiritual bending. So
Mm.
I also have I am also associated with others some spiritual organization, and
Okay.
I also carry their meditations also.
Mm.
So after going through your program,
Mm.
uh, I have great improvement in my soul side. Others,
Soul side.
with
Okay.
the
Yes.
others also, but soul side, body, mind, soul. So soul side, I have a great improvement. I have seen. Actually, nothing. Actually, whatever theory you have given, let's go. And the relationship, let it be there. Let it, and talk clearly, speak clearly to others.
Yes. Yes.
So all these chota, small things, but very important steps.
Yes.
And I want to thank you. At present, I am having oil control over my BP. My medicines have been stopped, not stopped. Very
Mm.
little amount is medicines are taken
The
for BP
dosage has been reduced.
reduced,
Okay.
and whatever you can tell, I am more calm persons now.
Yeah, more
Yeah,
calm. Okay. But what is
more
your
calm.
secret? At this age also you are so consistent and आप इतना discipline से करते हैं तो उसका क्या
Actually,
secret क्या है?
my secret is there. My secret is there. I think everyone that they were told that at energy level we are all one. Hmm. And
हाँ.
divine the spirituality and and by practicing the spirituality and feeling the presence of divine self. Hmm. Just I am doing my work, but I also think that someone is divine is with me. Huh? So I am carrying out my days from morning to night. I am thinking of something, some divine power, and
Divine
I
power. So you are having that full
fully
faith.
surrender, trying to surrender to him.
Wow,
So
great,
thank you, Nia
great.
Madam, for your course. And
Thank you.
I am a diamond member. I am specially thankful. So I can carry out with your association
Yes.
as long as God desires.
Yes, definitely, definitely.
Thank,
Thank you
thank you, madam.
so much,
Thank.
Swapan ji. Thank you so much. You are like my father, and it is my it's like it's my blessing that I am able to serve you. that that God has given me that opportunity that I am able to serve you. That itself is a very big thing for me. Thank you so much, and thank you for inspiring everyone here. I want every one of you to again unmute and give a very big shout out to Swapan ji, saying congratulations to Swapan ji.
Congratulations,
Congratulations.
Swapan ji.
God of
Congratulations,
congratulations to
Swapan ji.
Swapan ji.
Congratulations.